study, work, or unnecessary scrolling. Everything is leading to excessive screen time, which is negatively affecting our eyes and brain. Today, I will teach you 5 powerful techniques that will clean, relax, and rejuvenate your eyes. Say goodbye to problems like redness, fiery sensation, dullness, and headache. Number 1. Jal Niti. We begin with purification. Jal Niti, nasal wash. Take lukewarm water and add some salt. You can do Jal Niti while standing or sitting. For standing, bend your upper body. Now try to look at the ceiling sideways. Starting from the left side, open your mouth and breathe. Start the process by putting the tip of Neti pot on your nostril and slowly tilt so that water can get inside your nostril. Do it for a while and then release. And do it from right nostril. You can also sit like this and bend forward, and rest of the process is same. Congratulations, you just did Jal Niti. This ancient technique cleans the sinus and relieves the hidden pressure that builds up behind your eyes. Number 2. Eye cleaning. This is the deep rest. Take your eye cup with clean water. Gently place it over your eye and bring softly underwater. This yogic practice cools the eyes, flushes out dryness, and provides a profound moment of soothing relief. When the water starts feeling warm, replace it with fresh water. And do the same with the other eye. Third exercise. Now we will work on our eye muscles. Without moving your head, slowly look up and down 10 times. Now, left and right 10 times. Now, diagonally 10 times on both sides. This releases the tension from constantly focusing on one screen. Fourth, breathing. Anulom Vilom. Sit back comfortably for Anulom Vilom. Make Gyan Mudra with your left hand. Place your middle finger and index finger on your forehead. Place your ring finger on your left nostril and thumb on your right nostril. Now we will breathe from left side. So close your right nostril. Breathe as deep as you can. Now lift up your thumb and block your left nostril with your ring finger. Now exhale. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 minutes. This instantly harmonizes the two sides of your brain and calms the nervous system, which is directly responsible for eye strain. Number 5. Palm points. On your palm, press this area. You can press this area with the help of a metal jimmy, a wooden jimmy, or if you don't have jimmy, you can use a pen as well. In case you don't even have a pen, you can just press it with your fingers. Do the same on both the palms for 5 minutes, 3 times a day. Share this video with everyone you really love and want to see them happy and healthy always. DM for a free wellness consultation now. See you in the next video. Follow for more such content.